Hey there, how's it going? My name's James from Portant. We have an awesome update to our PDF templates. So if you are one of the many users who have been requesting to sign these PDF templates, well, today's your lucky day. If we go into the PDF template here, you can see that there's now a new option to request the signature. So we can add a signature to this document, and then if we scroll down to the signing step of this PDF, we can insert a signature and then move the signature box to the right area, and then we'll also add the date as well. We'll add that to the right section. And then in this example, I'm just going to make sure that the signature is going to the email address. We're using a Google Sheets source with this. Save the changes. And after that's been added, Portant, as usual, adds a couple of extra blocks, the block to set up the signature request, which you can customize. And then we also have an email which is sent with the signed document. So you can customize both those emails, but I'll just show you how the signature experience works. If you go to the document here and open up the link, go through, you see all the information which has been personalized in the PDF form fields. If we scroll down, we can sign the document. And that's it. This is a highly requested feature, which I'm really glad that we've been able to ship. If you've got any questions about it, please let me know, and we'd be more than happy to help. All right. Cheers. Bye.